Good morning, students. In our everyday life, we deal with numbers. From the time we wake up to sleep, we always talk about numbers. For example, when do you wake up? You say 6 o'clock. Here, 6 is a number. Take one more example. How much did you score in the maths test? You may say 80 marks. Here again, 80 is a number. Take one more example. When does our school start? You may say 8 o'clock. Here again, 80 is a number. In this way, we use the numbers in our daily life. By this way, it is very important to know about numbers. So, let us start. The first concept of the numbers is comparing numbers. Comparing numbers. First chapter, to know our numbers. To know our numbers. In this first chapter, let us learn about the first concept of the comparing numbers. Comparing number means comparing two numbers are nothing but we check whether the numbers are greater than, less than, or equal to each other. Comparing numbers means whether the numbers are greater than, less than, or equal to each other. Oh, how do we compare? Let us take one example. 5, 4, 3, 1. How do we compare the numbers? Let us check. Where we take one example. 5, 4, 3, 1. It is a number. As we all know, that number contains digits. This number contains digits. How many digits are here? How many digits are here? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this number, there are 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, in this number, digits are 4. Okay. For comparison, we need one more number. We need another number. Okay. 7, 6, 9. In this number, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 digits in this number. Digits are 3. So, okay. Now, you can tell which number has greater. This number has 4 digits. 7, 6 number. This number has 3 digits. Now, you can tell which number is greater number. It is very easy to say. You know this one. In this number, digits are 4. In this number, digits are 3. So, here 4 is greater than 3. 4 is greater than 3. So 5431 has more number of digits. In this number, digits are 4. In this number, digits of 3. So which number has more digits? Which number has more digits? 5431 has more number of digits. So this number has more number of digits. So therefore 5431 greater than 769. Okay. Let us take one more example. Four thousand 4921, 4921. In this number there are how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 digits. Oh. In this number how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. This number digits are 4. If the digits are equal in both numbers, look here, in this number digits are 4, here also 4 digits. If the digits in both numbers are equal, what do we do? Oh, write the place values of the numbers. Both the numbers have equal number of digits. Both numbers have equal number of digits. Look here, this number has 4 digits. In this number also 4 digits. If the both numbers have the equal number of digits, then what do we do? Okay, write the place values of the numbers. Write the place values of the numbers. Right. Look here. I have taken same number 4921 3629. Look here. 4921 3629. Write the place values of the numbers here. What is the place value? Ones. This place value tens. This place value hundreds. This place value thousands. In this number, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now compare the digit in the highest. Both the numbers are in thousands place. Okay, here also thousands place, here also thousands place. In this case, what do we do? Here this number has thousands place. In this number also has thousands place. In this case, what do we do is we compare the digit in the highest. Compare the digit in the highest place value place. Okay. Again, I have written here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. This number also ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Compare the digit in the highest place value. Highest place value place. Here highest place value is thousands place. In this number also highest place value is 1000. Thousands place value place is 4. In this number thousandth place value place is 3. Compare the digit in the highest place value, that is thousands. Highest place value is 1000 in both numbers. Highest place value is 1000 in both numbers. Here in this number the highest place value is 1000, the digit is 4. In this number the highest place value is 1000, the digit is 3. Then compare these two digits, here 4, here 3. Highest place value place is 4. In this number highest place value place is 3. Though which is greater between these two? The 4 is greater than 3. 4 is greater than 3. This number is greater than this number. So this number is 4921 is greater than 3629. So like this we compare. Once again, I will explain. If the digits, first rule is check the digits. The digits of this number is 4. In this number also digits are 4. So if the digits are same in both numbers, we compare the digit in the highest place value place. If the digits in the both numbers are same, then we compare the highest place value place. Here highest place value 1000, in this number highest place value 1000. Highest place value place 4, here highest place value place is 3, then 4 is greater than 3, then 4921 is greater than 3629. Let us take one more example. 3694. 3694, 3694. One more, another number is 3521. What is the first rule? What we have to check first? Check for the number of digits. Here in this number the number of digits is 4. In this number the number of digits is also 4. Here 1 2 3 4, here 1 2 3 4. So number of digits 4. In the both numbers the number of digits is same. The both numbers the number of digits is same. If the number of digits is same, we compare the digit in the highest place value place. Same like in the second example. Highest place value place. Second rule. First rule is check for the number of digits. First rule is number of digits. Second rule is highest place value place. Compare the highest place value place. Same number I have written here. 3694, 3521, 3694, 3521. Here highest place value. Look here, ones place, tens, hundreds, thousands. In this number also ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Highest place value place. What is the highest place value in this number? Thousands. In this number, what is the highest place value? Thousands. Highest place value 1000. What is the digit in the highest place value? 3. What is the digit in the highest place value? 3. Here both are same. If the digit in the highest place value is also same, here highest place value digit 3. In this number also highest place value digit is 3. So in both numbers the highest place value is same. Highest place value digit is 3. In this number also highest place value digit is 3. So both numbers have the highest place value is same. Then what do? We compare the next digit and so on. We compare the next digit. We move on to the next digit. We move on to the next place value. We move on to the next place value. I have written same as here. This is 3, 6, 9, 4 ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Here highest place value 1000 in this number. In this number also highest place value is 1000. In this number highest place value place is 3. Highest place value place is 3. Both the digits are same. If the highest place value digit is same, we move on to the next place. We move on to the next place. What is the next place here? Hundreds place. Here hundreds place digit is 6. Here hundreds place digit is 5. So next place hundreds place value place is 6. Here hundreds place value place is 5. So 6 greater than 5. Therefore 3, 6, 9. 6 is from this number. 5 is from this number. So 3694 is greater than 3521. Okay. In this way we can compare the numbers. Have you understood? This way we can compare the numbers. I know you are clear with the concept of comparing numbers.